cranial electrotherapy stimulation to treat anxiety, insomnia, or depression with ear clip electrodes. Clean skin of earlobes with mild soap and water or alcohol wipes and allow them to dry. Plug dual connector end of ear clip wires into channel 1 or channel 2 jack. Remove old ear clip electrode pads if present. Attach 4 new ear clip electrode pads. Saturate the ear clip electrode pads thoroughly with several drops of alpha conducting solution while they are on the ear clip electrodes. Power on. Set frequency to ½ Hertz. Set timer. 20 minutes is usually enough time if the current is set to at least 250 microamperes. 40 minutes to an hour or more is recommended if the current is at or below 200 microamperes. Squeeze ear clips open and apply one to each earlobe. Increase the current slowly until a dizzy feeling is experienced, like rocking on a boat. Then decrease it immediately until the dizziness stops. Also decrease it if the normal tapping sensation felt on the earlobes becomes uncomfortable. For people who have a history of experiencing vertigo, which means dizziness, such as motion sickness, treat at a current setting of 100 microamperes for 1 hour or more to prevent residual vertigo after treatment. Relax, sit or lie down, and let the Alpha-Stim M relax you. You may also read, work at a desk, or watch television. Do not attempt to drive or operate dangerous tools or machinery during treatment. Always complete a cranial electrotherapy stimulation session. When the timed session ends, if a heavy feeling is still experienced, resume treatment until at least 2 minutes after the heaviness lifts and a light feeling develops. Cranial electrotherapy stimulation may be used as often as necessary, but for most people it is best to treat between once a day and twice a week. Results usually improve and last longer with additional treatments.